In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Google Sheets spreadsheet. To get started, open your web browser and go to your Google Drive homepage. This is the main area where your files, folders, and Google Documents are stored. If you're already signed into your Google account, Drive should open right away. If not, just sign in first and then continue to the main Drive screen. Starting from Google Drive is helpful because it gives you a central place to create and manage all your Google files, including spreadsheets. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the New button. This is the main menu used to create new files inside Drive. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options for different types of Google files, such as documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. If you're new to Google Drive, this is an important menu to get familiar with because you'll use it often whenever you want to create something new. From that menu, click on Google Sheets. As soon as you select it, Google will open a brand new spreadsheet in a separate tab or window. This spreadsheet is ready for you to start using immediately. Google Sheets works similarly to other spreadsheet programs, so you'll see rows, columns, and cells where you can enter text, numbers, formulas, and other data. The great thing is that your file saves automatically as you work, so you don't have to worry about manually saving every change. Now that the spreadsheet is open, you can customize it however you need. One of the first things you'll usually want to do is rename the file so it's easier to find later in Google Drive. To do that, click the current title at the top of the spreadsheet and type in a new name that matches your project or task. From there, you can start entering data, adjusting column widths, formatting cells, or setting up the sheet for whatever you need. A helpful tip is to give your spreadsheet a clear, descriptive name right away. This makes it much easier to stay organized, especially if you create a lot of files. You can also return to Google Drive at any time to find the spreadsheet again, since it will be saved automatically in your account. And that's how to open a Google Sheets spreadsheet from Google Drive and get it ready to use.